my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys a makeup look. I did a fuchsia eyeshadow look, and these are all from the palette Velvet 59, and this is their Biker Babe palette, which is a great palette. They did send me this palette complimentary, you guys. This is it. Now what I like about the palette is, I'm going to tell you guys real quickly and then I'm going to jump right into the video. The eyeshadow itself, super pigmented. I did not get any fallout from this palette. It does deepen up, and I want to tell you guys colors that I use real quick. I use Harley Baby all over my lid area. My crease color was Twisty Frisco Style right here. This beautiful metallic-y shade right here. Very pretty. My outer V, I just kept using that right there, and it really did build. These colors are super buildable colors. Also Throttle, and that's this beautiful like fuchsia color right here. Very pretty. I did use a base on top of that before I applied it, but it is super pigmented by itself, you guys, and I'll show you guys. So you can use a base, or you don't have to use a base because it's so pigmented, but I did use a base because I really wanted this to last all day. As a highlight, I use this color right here, and it's called 12 a.m. After Opening, right there. So this is Biker Babe from Velvet 59 eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to see the look, please stay tuned. Talk to you later.